welcome back to my channel, and this is Shahama here. So today I'm going to show you a craft that I'm going to make on Independence Day. So this is a tricolor flag craft of our Indian flag, but you know, people in Ireland can also make this because they share the same tricolored flag. So let's go to the video. Okay, so first I'm going to take the green colored foam sheet to make this. First I'll take a strip sizing of 20 centimeter and 1 centimeter. We need 5 strips just like those. So here I'm going to bend it and make some pointy shapes on the two sides, and then attach it with a glue gun. Okay, and cut off the extra pieces. Try to make it pointy so that it's going to look, like that exact starish shape. Okay? We need 5 of them like this, so let's make them. Okay, so now let's take a small strip. Sizing of 9 centimeter and 1 centimeter. We do the same process that we did with the larger strip. Okay, do the same pointy thing over here and attach it with a glue gun, and then cut off the extra pieces. We need 5 units of this too. Make this pointy too. It's like kind of pretty there. Okay, so the next is the strips, and from this I just took 0.5 centimeter for the for all 3 of them, and 6 centimeter for the 2 short ones, and 15 centimeter for the larger one. You can choose your size. It's okay to be, if it's longer, because you can cut it off. We need 5 of them too. Okay, so these are the things that we need for making our star. Next thing is, take these longer strips that we curved in and then shape them into a star-like shape. Like a flower with 5 petals. Like this. See, you can see this. The next thing is, all you gotta do is, attach it, each of them with a glue gun, just how you kept it. Be careful while doing this. Okay. Let's just attach them all, and see the smaller pieces, I'm just going to attach them in between the larger pieces. So let's go and fill them in. Make sure that all of them are placed properly. So we've kept all of them. As you can see, this is how you should get. This should be your result. Now the next thing is the 3 strips. All you gotta do is put the glue gun on the glittery side and place it on the back side of the larger strip, and then do the same with the others. Okay, so now if you take it on the front side, you can get the shorter strips outside, crisscross them and attach them to the sides of where you meet the next strip. As you can see, you'll understand if you watch the video. Okay. Don't forget to make this crisscross, because that's really important. And you can follow the same pattern, like one over the other. Okay, so this is the last piece that we have to do for the crisscross. Let's do them. Be careful, don't make a mistake on the way when I say crisscross. Okay, here we have completed it, and you can see a pretty design that's formed over there. And the only thing left is the larger strip. So take it out on the hole, which is formed, the second hole formed after the crisscross, and attach it on the smaller hole that curve happened. Okay. Do the same pattern with the others. Take the longer strip out and attach it to the smaller curve on the other side. By the way, this is our last step on making our star. So if we complete this step, we've made our star. This is the last process. So after doing this, you can, kind of expand it with your hand. I'll show you how to. When you're complete doing this, try to, expand it with your hand so it gets a bit loosened up instead of staying so tight and rigid. See, like this, loosen it up. I'll show you another one and speeding it up with an orange. So this is a long strip, 5 of them with 20 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Curve it off and then cut off the edges. Try to make it pointy. I give you this as a point, make it as a pointy one. It's just going to look attractive. Okay, cut off the edges. And now make 5 of them. Now use the smaller one with 9 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Try to keep the measurements in your mind because it makes a correct shape for it. Okay. Cut off the edges and do the same step you did with the larger ones. Now for this one, just take the width as 0.5 centimeter, but for the length you can take a longer length as, you can cut it off later. Now glue them all together like this and do our step that we did earlier. The shorter ones crisscross like this. Here, crisscross. And the larger ones attached. Okay, so we've made our Independence Day craft. Ta-da! So I hope this video has been useful. If it was, don't forget to like and share this to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. Bye! See you in the next video.